Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Jorge and today is another awesome day for PE. So today what we're going to be doing is taking some of the skills that we've learned throughout the unit and combining them. So let's get started. Thank you so much for joining me today for another great day of PE. And what I want to see in your seesaw pose is some of the awesome skills that you have and some of the different ways that you can combine the skills that you know. So if you have some awesome gymnastic skills, maybe some soccer skills, maybe even balancing skills, I want to see them. See different ways that you can combine the skills that you know and share it in your seesaw pose. Thank you so much for coming to PE today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.